Be there for you. Be here right now. Be here right now.
Brendan's gone ahead and tacked all this intercooled piping up for us and also dump pipe. I'm gonna pull it out and actually finish welding it, so let's get to it. Welded up. I still need to put in the air temp sensor, which I think is there, so I'm gonna have to relocate that because I don't want that getting heat soaked. Also, I think that's a boost port right there, so I don't think I'll be needing to weld in a fitting in there. Dump pipe is half done. I made all that up a little while ago. He's just gone ahead and finished it off for me down there because I don't have the tools to do reducers, and this is a 3-inch or 3.5 inch to 2.5. So anyways, that should help with a bit of spool, and I'm gonna do this next week, but for you guys it'll be in 2 seconds, so enjoy.
Ruben likes to put in little snippets of his paint being messed up, but this is what you don't see.
I showed a good like 2-3 seconds of it. No one wants to look at it for more than that, otherwise they're gonna
Oh, are you stealing my pants? Is that my shirt? Ruben's over here just barbecuing his car. So now that the intercooler piping's done, we'll be taking the intake manifold off, and we got the injectors sitting over there, so we'll put them in the rail, and that way we can get rid of this stock fuel pressure regulator and mount the external fuel pressure regulator. So I've just pulled the intake manifold out. We do have the 850 Denso injectors going in, so I'm just gonna put them in. We did add this adapter, so there's the stock fuel pressure regulator. We're going to put this back in the car and then see where we can look at mounting the fuel pressure regulator. Let's do it. Rightio, well the fuel system's done. While Mel and I were doing that, Ruben actually tacked on an air temp sensor bung. Yeah, it's actually looking good. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. We have noticed that most of our audience is American.
I dare someone to have a swing of this.
Oh dude, look at the cream on the top.
Look at it.
Oh, is it like...
Give it a shake.
So it's 8 days out.
8 days out.
Oh, it's chunky.
Oh.
Why does it look like water?
That's because it's like separated.
Boys, if it pours, we drink.
It's fine. Do it then.
Alrighty, I've taken these wheels off. They don't suit the car and they're 19s. They're actually gonna go on my other green Lexus, my daily. The wheels on that car are getting put on this one until I decide what other wheels I wanna buy. And I'm also gonna go ahead and clean up all the brake rotors and brakes and stuff because they are looking nasty. This car's been sitting for a while now. While I'm in the process of painting, I've got the new lip. It's baking in the sun at the moment. It's getting a couple of fresh coats of paint on because it just came in primer. I'll eventually take everything that I like about my green Lexus and I'll put it in this. So it's gonna get a big makeover. So yeah, enjoy. I hate that I like it as much as I do. I don't know why it looks so bad on the blue one, but it just did. Anyways, lip is on. It is the wrong color. Even though I gave them the VIN, they still gave me the wrong color. It's pretty hard to see. It really doesn't show in camera. But my mate has an IS and it's exactly that color. And then mine's like the darker one. It'll show in the sun, unfortunately. But anyway, is what it is for now. I've rolled these guards, the rears at least. The fronts I've pulled, so it sits nice and flush now. Didn't get any paint crack this time, so that's good. I learned that the hard way, use a heat gun. That's what the fronts look like. So I'm about to lower this for the first time and see how it's actually sitting. Let's have a, I know it's hard to see in here, you'll see some clips outside in a minute. So the fronts I've left as they are for now. I'm gonna need that extra bit of gap, and you don't wanna be full lock and then hit a bump because it just destroys your guards. Don't ask me how I know. As I said, I have rolled these and pulled them. They've come out a fair bit. If you look at the back side there, so a fair bit. You can see where the crease kind of comes out. And also one of these sides were way higher than the other, so I've gone ahead and lowered this side, evened them out. If anyone's wondering, these are 9.5 plus 22 18s, and they are a square set front and rear. But yeah, can't wait to get this thing clean, see what she looks like outside. So here it is outside. Quick sneak peek for you guys. This car still has a heap of cosmetic stuff that needs to be fixed up, but for now I'm going to leave it as is for the tune.